Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today I'm going to show you what the Sports Interaction app is and how to use it step by step. Let's get started. Sports Interaction is a trusted online sports betting app where you can place bets on a variety of sports like football, basketball, hockey, tennis and more. It is available on iOS and Android and also includes features like live betting, casino games and real-time score updates. Now to get started, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. Then sign up and fill in your details like name, email and date of birth. Create a secure password and verify your account via email or SMS. Now once you're in, to place bets you need funds in your account. Tap deposit, choose a payment method like credit, debit card, e-wallet or bank transfer. Enter the amount and confirm. Your balance will update instantly so you can start betting. Now inside, browse the sports categories on the home screen. You can scroll it down to find more. Select a sport and a match or event. Tap the odds for the outcome you want to bet on. Enter your stake in the betting slip. Review your selection and tap place bet. To check your bets, go to my bets. Here you can see all your active and settled bets. You win your wins and losses. Some bets also allow cash out, letting you secure profits or reduce losses before the event ends. And that is how you can use the Sports Interaction app. It is safe, fast and fun for sports fans who enjoys betting. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye.